Hello, everybody. Today is Wednesday, January 13th. It's 4:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I would bring over the time and sales. The regular futures session just closed about 7 minutes ago. The E-mini S&P down hard today, trading at 1884 at 4:07. And you can also see that on the chart right here. Up in the title bar, the date January 13, 2016. Pretty good day for the auto trader, extreme volatility today. Before I continue, first the required disclaimer. Okay, quite a day today. The E-mini S&P down from its open nearly approximately 60 points, which is 240 ticks in the E-mini S&P. Quite a big drop. The largest winning chart for today was the E-mini S&P trading 3 contracts on the 15-minute chart. There was a single short trade filled on our limit order and then closed down here at the bottom, actually hitting its profit target very near the bottom of the day, the low of the day. So quite a good trade on this chart. This system had a drawdown last month, but has come back strong so far this year. Okay, next up is the DAX on the Precision Renko chart, and this has a profit goal of 2,500, and it looks like that was hit in fairly short order in just maybe a half an hour of trading or so, because there was only these few trades right off the open and the goal was hit. So quite a nice performance here. This is not nearly as large of a time frame as the DAX on the 21 tick that we've been showing. Okay, continued large volatility in the crude, and this particular chart is the Super Renko 10 tick, and it's utilizing the BWT line break algorithm. And this had 3 trades today, a small loser, a winner, and then a large winner here that hit its goal of 2,000 for the day. And this is trading 2 contracts, so this was quite the nice trade here. Okay, next up is the NASDAQ on the Precision Renko 5 tick, and I believe it hit its goal today of 2,000. As you can see here. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on a Super Renko 12 tick chart. Anticipating a lot of volatility today, I made a larger time frame for the E-mini S&P, and there was only 5 trades here. There was this short, and there was 3 losers back to back, kind of whipsaw trades here, not that large compared to the winners, and then the big sell-off here, and it hit its goal. This was about over a 20-point trade, or 80 ticks on this move. It hit its goal of 2,000. There's a $1,500 loss limit, so quite a nice performance on this chart with just 4 winners and 3 losers. Okay, as stated in yesterday's video, made a larger time frame for the NASDAQ. These are today's trades here. And somewhat similar performance to the E-mini S&P. There was a small winner, a couple of losers, and then a gymongous winner here. And obviously my first target is a little bit on the short side. So another couple of small losers and a break even, and then a winner at the very end here brought us up to $1,500 in profit for 2 contracts. So the settings on this could probably be improved a little bit, but nevertheless, a pretty nice performance here. Okay, a small gain on the gold contract, kind of a mixed bag of trades, but still managed to come out on the plus side of the ledger at $390 on 2 contracts. Okay, last but not least is the crude oil contract on the Superenco 7 tick with basically looks like 2 winners and 1 loser, and it probably hit its goal, had some slippage on the end. Remember, when the daily goal is achieved, it exits on a market order, not a limit order. So if your profit goal is touched, that's it, you're done. So this has a daily profit target of 1200, and that was hit here on the third trade of the day. So this one has been a fairly consistent performer. Okay, that's all for today's video. We'll see if there is continued volatility in the market. Undoubtedly there will be. So once again, if you'd like to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please contact us at systems@bluewavetrading.com or have a look around our website. Thanks for watching today.